Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the dock stalker at the bay and engaging wheel chocks. This prevents movement while you work. Once done, power up the unit and run the quick system self-check to verify faults are clear. Make sure you have clear communication with the loader and that traffic lanes are cordoned off. You need stable footing and good visibility, so adjust lights and mirrors, then set the emergency stop within reach before proceeding to lift any load. You align the stalker square to the pallet, then slide the forks fully underneath and lift just enough to clear the floor. Once you feel the weight stable, tilt the mast back slightly to secure the load. This prevents forward slipping during transit. Make sure to travel with the forks low for stability and to drive at reduced speed through congested zones. When stacking, use visual guides and height indicators. Position loads evenly to avoid side sway and follow load capacity limits. You finish by lowering the pallet gently into the rack and centering it, then back away slowly and set the parking brake. Once parked, shut down auxiliary systems, log the move in inventory, and plug in the charger so the battery reaches 80% before the next shift. If you notice tilt, drift, or unusual noises, stop immediately, lower the forks to the floor, and isolate the unit. Then inspect hydraulics and interlocks or call maintenance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.